Hello family and friends and fellow YouTubers, it's Kim here from Kim's Country Corner, and this morning I am out at the Hancock Homestead, and it is a very exciting day for me because we are getting ready to head to Shelbina, Missouri for the Northeast Missouri Old Thrasher Show. I look forward to this show every year. I did not make it last year because I was on my trip with my sister, but anytime we're able to go, we try to get up there for the show. And John and I have gotten into where we take the grandkids with us. This is a day that we can take our grandkids and spend the day with them and just have a nice relaxing day with them and just teach them the old ways of life. And so I am looking forward to this day. I decided to do the intro here at the homestead because it's going to be really busy when we get up there. And I don't want to stop to do this up there. So anyway, we are going to get on the road now. We're going to go pick up 2 of the 3 grandkids, and we're headed to Shelbina. So come along with us and join us for the day and just take a step back into time. Take a step back in time and see how life used to be on the farm. All right, here we go. Head up there to those buildings. Yep, this is called a flea market. It means that they sell little things to people.
I see this.
Yep. Okay, friends, so all of the tractors are lined up here waiting their turn because they're having a tractor pull. So what we're watching here is a tractor pull. They hook the different tractors up to this weighted box here and they see how far they can pull it. And I don't know how much it weighs, but alright, so we're going to see how far this tractor will pull this box, this weighted box. And then as you can see, he kind of reached his limit because he's starting to buck there in the front. See, it's sawing that piece of wood. That's a pretty piece of wood.
feel like going back and forth.
Yeah, it's cutting slabs. So he's cutting that piece off the top.
Looks like the crowd's picking up a little bit.
Well, like it's not moving.
So,
Moving real slow, but it's gone. Yeah, over on that side, you can see it.
you want to walk around where you can see it better?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, now we're at the blacksmith shop.
Just like cranking ice cream. Well, I had shoulder surgery. Picking up that heavy stuff in the tool room. Well, I picked up quite a little bit of heavy stuff before I ever got long before I ever got the tool room. That looks like a dog. Dragon.
Can you show them how the anvil works back there? Hey guys, watch. This is how they bend the metal. He's going to show you how they bend it. See, he has to get it hot so it's soft.
Looks like you got that down pretty good.
So he has to get it hot, that softens it up. And then he's able to pound it the way he wants it. And he's able to make all these little hooks and stuff. You have a question, Jeffrey?
What are these things?
Those are called triangles. They there's a thing that you put,
Those are dinner triangles.
yeah, here, he'll show you.
You hold the string. You hit it. It rings like a bell. But if you don't hold the string,
Yep, that's the way they used to call all the farm hands in to eat. And then see, he can make one of those by... Emma, do you want to ring the dinner bell?
It's kind of hot though.
Just go over there and
you
pound
hold
on
it-
that
you
triangle.
hold the end with the hook and then you tap right there.
All right, let's see what he's making back here. Thank you. So we got two blacksmiths working. I got one on each side. And you see, after it's soft, he can pound it and make it whatever he wants. And then he cools it off.
Look at this.
I know, isn't that cool? They just did that by bending metal, by getting the metal hot and then bending it however they want. Look what he made.
Square nail.
What?
Square nail. Square nail.
Oh, that's hot. What's this?
Candle. Hold it.
Oh, it's Wait, what's this?
It's just showing a twist on a square piece of steel.
What?
Just showing us a twist on this piece of steel.
Okay, friends, we stopped for lunch, and this is what I come for. The ham and beans and cornbread. Jeffrey, what'd you get?
Cheeseburger and
Gatorade? Emma, what'd you get? all kinds of old vehicles. Wow, look at this really, really old car, Jeffrey. That's an old one, isn't it? Yeah, they're both pretty old, aren't they?
Friends, the movie cars.
Yep. Here, let's go over here and watch the corn. I know, isn't that cool? That's a little bitty steam engine. I know, let's go over here and look at it. That's a great big steam engine.
That's a bulldozer.
Yep, that's an old bulldozer, isn't it? Hang on, Jeffrey. Okay, friends, so we have a really old steam engine here. There's another one over there. This one is going to pull the threshing machine. This one has belts hooked up to that threshing machine. Let's go over and look at the other one.
Hey, Grandma.
Okay. Yeah, and then this steam engine is hooked up to that threshing machine. So they have two going at the same time, and they have the wheat wagon in between. Do you know that Grandma used to drive one of these, Jeffrey? Yeah, when I was a teenager, I used to drive a steam engine through the parades. All right, there's the train, guys. And they're on dinner break right now. We just finished dinner. They're taking dinner break, and then they'll be back, and then we'll get to ride. But we have other things we can look at, don't we, Jeffrey?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so here's where they make sorghum. They hook a mule up to that, and the mule walks around. That's where they grind it.
That's where they grind what?
The sorghum, which is those big plants.
Those?
Uh-huh.
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, ready to move on? All right, let's go down and look at the animals.
They're in that one.
Yep, they're in that barn. Oh, they added this little playhouse this year. I remember that. That's kind of cool, huh? Do they have it set up like an old-time house? Yeah, they do. That's pretty cool.
Look, Mama. Over there.
Yeah.
They don't have a fridge though.
No. Well, back in the old days, they didn't really have fridges anyway. They had like ice boxes that you had to put actual ice in. All right, you ready? Head on over to the barn. I know.
We're all gonna be dead tomorrow.
The cow.
And what's the cow's name?
It's Beautiful. It's a beautiful cow.
I said, and what's the cow's name?
It's got a name.
It should.
All right. Thank you, Jeffrey.
Look, the cow and the goat, they're like looking at each other. Or the cow and goat look at each other. Well, you can get up there and pet him. Shadow. Yeah. Are you able to reach him though, Em? I
Wait,
don't
there's a
know.
bunny in there.
Yeah. Want to go look at the bunny?
Whoa, that's a lot of poopy stuff.
Yep.
Bunny. Oh, there's actually two bunnies.
Yeah, there's a bunny in there. Here,
There's two bunnies.
did you see the cow over here, Emma?
Oh, it's a little baby cow.
Yeah. Go pet the cow, Emma. Emma.
Oh, Pamper's on there.
Pet the cow first while we give them a turn. He won't hurt you. He won't hurt you.
Maybe it rained.
Yep.
Tell Grandma. Maybe it did rain. Maybe it rained. Grandma, this goat is asleep.
Yeah. Is the goat asleep?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pony, yeah. Can you pet the pony? Can you reach it?
No.
There. Here.
No, on the cow.
Here, reach down between there.
What is it?
There you go.
It's so
All right. Have we seen all the animals? All right. Let's go find Grandpa. Old homestead.
Built
1800s. Uh-huh.
with square.
Remember how that guy showed you how he made a square nail? That's what they used in this house. Oh, they have it set up with old beds and old quilts.
What did you say?
I said they have the house set up in here with old stuff. See, old beds. They used to have rope that would hold the mattresses up. And the mattresses used to be made of straw. So, have you ever heard someone say, sleep tight, don't let the bed bugs bite? Well, that came because you used to have to tighten the ropes so that your mattress wouldn't sag. And since the mattress had straw, which attracts bugs, they would say, sleep tight, that means on tight ropes, and don't let the bed bugs bite out of the straw. Kind of a cool saying, huh? Yeah. And your great grandma Betty, she used to have a sewing machine similar to that. Not quite that old, but my mom. I'm your grandma. So great grandma Betty used to have a sewing machine. And we still have oil lamps out at the farm. That is a wood burning stove to heat the house. You put wood or coal. Sometimes they'd use coal. And you would heat the house with that. Kind of like a mini fireplace. This is really cool.
With potatoes.
Yeah. Bonnet. Cupboard. And then these old stoves. They
That
used
looks
to.
fancy.
Well, it does. But these old stoves, they used to build a fire inside. Like a fire, and then it would heat up down inside of there and make these burners hot. So they used to have a wood burning stove for your kitchen.
What's that?
And these would get super hot, and that's how you would cook the food.
What's that?
That's an old pressure canner. Grandma just did a bunch of canning. I'm glad my pressure canner's not as old as that one. That is,
It wouldn't work.
yeah. This is really cool the way they have this set up.
Grandma,
Yep,
look.
yeah. All right, you ready to go back now?
Grandma, this way. Grandma, look. That's how they used to clean.
Yeah, old wash tubs, how they used to do their laundry. Yeah, on those scrub boards. And then they used to have to hang them on the clothesline to dry.
Home, I'd probably be asleep.
All right.
Change clothes. Wasn't that supposed to have
That was pretty cool.
Well, I tell you what, I do work at the Arch. Thousands of young people have handled these.
He's got all sorts of things here, doesn't he?
That's a wolf. This is the face of a wolf that came from Canada. This is a beaver foot. This is a beaver foot, and this is Peppa Pig. He's a wild pig from Texas. That's what this one is, and this is my dear friend from Missouri. Okay, this is what a deer hide looks like without fur on it.
Isn't that cool?
Oh, pick it up. Okay, and what you do is you take a piece out like this, pull it out, pull that out of there.
He's consumer friendly,
Okay,
so
and then you're going to do this. Come over the top and then hit it on the bottom of it. Here, hold it like this. Like this, with your left hand. There you go, just like that.
hey, now he's
Go this way. There you go.
There you go. Look at you make those frog sounds.
You got to hear about 8 or 10 of these going at the same time. They make a lot of ruckus.
Wow, that's awesome.
And you can be like that. So you can make it a musical instrument. This is better with the mouth. But you got to hear about 8 or 10 of these going. They really make a lot of noise.
Now I have a question.
Yeah.
Are those cow patties?
This is a cow patty. This is a cow patty. This is a buffalo patty.
And tell me what they used to be used
Okay,
for.
this is firewood. And so if you're a young man on a wagon train to the west, your job, part of your job as you walked along the way was you would be looking
didn't know
for
where
dry
buffalo patty
buffalo
comes
dung.
from.
You didn't want the green wet dung. You wanted the hard dry stuff. And if you found the wet stuff, you just left it lay because there were other pioneers coming from behind you.
Hey Jeffrey, would you want to be responsible for picking up cow patties or buffalo patties
Well, if you had to, you would.
to build the fire for the wagon trains?
You had to stack them in the house so they'd be dry.
Sorry, Jeffrey.
These are Indian implements of for defense or
Yeah,
for
or
food, or for
hunting.
hunting and that sort of stuff
These
like
are
that.
arrowheads.
Yeah, this is a spear
Yeah.
point. These are scrapers. That's a scraper. And these, of course, are those are bird tips. And these would be the everyday stuff.
And then-
This is the real deal. And some of these came out of a dredge down at the Kentucky lakes
Wow.
in Kentucky.
Hey, and then look, these are the toys they used to have to play with.
Yes, and the girls would play with Barbie's fourth great grandma right there.
Yes.
Let me
And
guess,
then-
that's for smoking meat, right?
Well, if you had to, or at least you could fry it. You could fry it.
Can he try one of these?
Add a little
Can he
flavor.
try? Can he try one of these?
Oh heck yes! They're
Here, Jeffrey, the goal is to try to get the ball into the
hit this
end.
part?
Well,
Yep.
Okay, now, let me try- hey,
No, watch
what- hey, look,
him. Watch him.
Watch this.
He's pretty
hold
good.
It, hold it close to the cup, just like this. And then you're going to take it and you're just going to toss it up. You're just going to toss it up.
He's had a lot of practice.
I have. I haven't played with it for a really long time. I'm surprised I'm doing as well as I am.
Batting about
Let's go to
400,
the
500
room.
while we-
Em, do you want
You
to
can see
try?
that it works. Now be careful you don't whack yourself on the head. Oh! It's a match made in heaven.
Except they're brother and sister.
Oh, I want to take it back.
These are my grandkids.
Oh, grandkids, okay.
Yeah. Try again, guys. This reminds me of that show that I used to watch as a kid called Petticoat Junction. One up there. We're getting on.
The last one of the day.
Where do you want to go? You want to go to the back or to the front? Okay.
Anybody want to ride the Depot Express? Head on over to the east side of the railroad track.
There's our sheriff. Look, he's got all his money in that box.
There's all the money in the box. Look, guys, look at all that money.
I must be crazy seeing you
You gotta hold all that money. You can't let no one take off with it.
All right, here we go.
They're gonna rob your train. You don't want no train off.
See if I can get the front.
You gotta tell them if you see a train off.
You don't think I should do that? I was trying to see if I could see the front of the train.
When we get into the bridge, we have to keep our whole
Yes,
bodies.
you're right. He'll tell us that, won't he? Look at those old tractors. They don't even have rubber wheels. They have steel wheels.
Did they move the bridge?
I just think this is so cool that they actually come out here and combine this whole field with the old time tractors and combines. There's the bridge. Jeffrey, I'm going to walk back there because I can get a shot of the engine, okay? Uh-oh.
Is that a robber? You
Uh-oh.
think? Do you recognize him from the pictures?
Uh-oh.
Okay, you ready to hold your gift? Go ahead. Right here.
Oh no.
Hey, you remember he's supposed to
There
protect
they
that
are.
money, right?
Remember, the guy has a big box of money.
Our guys, I sent you out here all that city. You didn't buy them horses? What happened to it?
Was that real money?
You got several $1,000. Well, buy them heads of horses to bring back. Well, now let me tell you who I am.
That guy's got the money when he's
Barlow, at the end of this, you're going to remember. You look like a nefarious person. And I think you've been into trouble.
He's taking the money.
Hey, Sheriff, wait. Now, wait. Work for me. Work for me. That's been known. You never see a duck with a goose. I see him by them horses.
I saw stuff like
That
this.
was your first mistake. Come back with nothing. Your second mistake. And your third mistake is robbing these people of filthy plundering. When you first robbed them.
Oh, look, there's...
Hey, Marcus, work for me.
Oh no, guys. Sounds like they're getting mad.
Get your guns off. Get your guns off.
Oh no, look.
You see?
Oh, yeah, okay.
You can look out the window.
He's got a short fuse. I'm warning him. Marcus, you can't do that.
Look.
I'm not going to walk off.
Look.
Why would you do that?
Ah! Oh, no.
Look at him. How he's
Oh, no.
No, baby, no flashback. Not real.
They used to come on the screen.
It's just pretend. They're just pop guns.
Round of applause for the Wildlife.
Emma, wave at Grandma. I don't know why she has her fingers in her ears. It's really not that loud. Emma! All right, we're back over with Jeffrey. When she was a baby.
He's in the yellow. So Jeffrey's riding the Ferris wheel.
Come on, buddy.
great. Did you have fun? Yep. So this is a favorite ride among the kids. Jeffrey and Emma, they picked out their cars that they wanted. Will you wave at me?